Hindi, you never know kung ano yung resulta sa mga droga sa mga bata. You'd never know the sacrifice of the parents. You'd never know the misery. And kita mo naman, sa lahat ng Pilipinas. And you'd never understand the suffering of a parent or a brother or sister na nakita niya naggunggong na ang anak niya. Pinaaral mo, kindergarten, grade school, high school, pagdating sa college, bigyan mo ng droga tapos nagunggong na, and you render the